This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the JDfn Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap. It's Friday. I'm Jack Lott on the James Dix Financial Network. President Bush and other world leaders are gathering in D.C. to explore options for relief and to work on ways to prevent similar credit and financial problems from happening again. Japan said it's ready to lend up to $100 billion to the International Monetary Fund to support nations reeling from the global financial crisis. Commerce said that retail sales fell by 2.8% last month, and the Labor Department reports prices for imported goods fell 4.7%. That's the most in 2 decades. U.S. Consumer Sentiment Index rose to 57.9 in early November, that from a reading of 57.6 in late October. In other news, Citigroup cutting at least 10,000 jobs in the investment bank and other divisions throughout the world. Sun Microsystems announced it will cut 5,000 to 6,000 jobs as the economic crisis has compounded the company's struggles with depressed demand for high-end computers. Charles Schwab Corporation reports total client assets fell 22% in October to $1.16 trillion at the end of the same month last year. And Freddie Mac is asking for $13.8 billion out of a potential $100 billion in government aid after posting a massive quarterly loss. Finally, President-elect Barack Obama will be meeting with his former opponent John McCain on Monday in Chicago. A spokesman for the president-elect said that Obama and McCain, quote, share an important belief that Americans want and deserve a more effective and efficient government, and will discuss ways to work together to make that a reality. Economic reports scheduled out in the U.S. next week include the Empire State Index, Industrial Production, Producer Price Index, Home Builders Index, the Consumer Price Index, Housing Starts, Philly Fed Index, and the leading indicators from the Conference Board. In earnings news today, Abercrombie & Fitch said its profit fell to $63.9 million, or 72 cents a share. Expectations were for 71 cents. Agilent Technologies said it earned $231 million, or 64 cents. The anticipated earnings were for 59 cents. And Nokia downgraded its outlook for industry-wide mobile device volumes for the fourth quarter and for the entire next year. Scheduled earnings next week include Target, Intuit, Dell, Univision, Home Depot, Hot Topic, PetSmart, Brocade Communications, H.J. Heinz, and J.M. Smucker. Some of the stocks in the news today included OfficeMax saying it'll cut 245 jobs from its corporate staff and field management in North America. Lee Enterprises announcing fiscal fourth quarter earnings declining 70% as ad sales fell. And E-Trade Financial saying it'll retire all $450 million of its 6.125% subordinated notes due in 2018. And that's the Market Wrap on a Friday. I'm Jack Lott on the James Dix Financial Network.